finally, I've got a little shed to put away all those annoying garden bits in, but I wanted to go with the rest of my garden furniture, so I've decided to paint it grey, of course. But before I reach for the paintbrush, there's plenty to do.
The prep you do will depend on the type of wood. This shed is smooth planed, so it needs sanding down to remove rough surfaces. I'm using 120 grit sandpaper. This one is new, but if yours has previous coatings in a poor state, you'll want to bring it back. Also, if it's rough sawn, you'll want to remove any loose material with a stiff brush. Remove any dust from sanding with a tack cloth or brush. Remember your PPE for all stages. If there's any contamination, neutralise or remove with a cleaner such as methylated spirit and a stiff brush and allow it to dry. Fill any minor holes and imperfections with a good quality wood filler as close to the colour of the timber as possible. If your finish is translucent though, avoid filling large areas as they may be visible through the coating. Sand to blend with the surrounding timber and remove any dust as before.
If you're using a traditional paint system, you'll need to apply knotting solution to any knots in the timber like this. I actually won't need to because I've gone for Cuprinol Garden Shades, which is translucent, so allows the pattern of the wood to show through and also for any resin to release from the knots without damaging the coating. If any residue comes through, I can just remove it with a solvent like meths and a cloth. Anyway, on with my favourite part, the painting, and I'm going to start off by shaking this bad boy.
Give it a good stir before and during the process to make sure you get a consistent sheen and colour. You need to apply these products in dry conditions, by the way, with a temperature above 10 degrees, so check the forecast. When painting, pay attention to end grain, tops and bottoms of doors and undersides of sills. If you'd prefer to protect and enhance the wood of your shed in just one coat, then use something like Ronsil One Coat Fence Life, which despite the name isn't just for fences, by the way. It's quick to use as it only needs one coat and comes in a variety of natural colours.
There you go, it's all done. Now I was going to sit in the sunshine and admire it, but of course it's summer, so it's pouring with rain. So I might look at it through the window instead.